Here's the next part for lesson 5. Marie had 36 emails in her inbox. This was twice as many emails as she had last week. How many emails did Marie have last week? We are going to let E represent the number of emails Marie had last week. Here are two equations that we can write to kind of represent this problem. We know that 2 times the number of emails last week equals the number of emails this week. Alright, so there's the equation. 2 times E equals 36. Alright, so remember, we're letting E represent the number of emails that Marie had last week. And we know that this week she had 36 emails. So that's why we're making this equation. 2 times E equals 36. Now, look at the bottom here. We can also write it like this. Instead of putting 2 times E with the x, usually x means multiply, we can just put 2 and the E side by side, and that means the same thing. So 2E actually means 2 times E. And that's how we usually write it in math. In the higher level math, you're going to see it like that. Okay, so 2E, just put them side by side, and that's how you say it. 2E equals 36. Or you could still write 2 times E. It's up to you, but I'm telling you, you might as well start writing it the way that the rest of the math world writes it. That's why I'm teaching you now. Okay? So that's one of our equations. 2E equals 36, and that represents our problem. Marie had 36 emails in her inbox, and this was twice as many emails as she had last week. And E represents the number of emails that Marie had last week. Let's look at the second equation. The number of emails last week equals the number of emails this week divided by 2. So the equation is E equals 36 divided by 2. Does that make sense? E is the number of emails last week. 36 is the number of emails this week, and that happens to be twice as many as last week. That's why we're dividing by 2. So E equals 36 divided by 2. Either one of these equations is proper and okay. They will eventually end up with the same answer. Well, let's figure it out. If I have, I'll do the bottom one. E equals 36 divided by 2. Well, E is going to equal 18. 36 divided by 2 is 18. Let's do this other one. 2E equals 36. Well, I know that 2 times 18 equals 36. Okay? There you go.